not even the bright mode. Alright, so this was just a rough prototype of the arm we're potentially going to use for the exoskeleton. And you might notice that it's actually made using a ratchet. And that's actually kind of clever because what it means is it can lock in position. So what you saw there before was me curling a weight, but as I curled that weight, every time it ratcheted, it locked in position, which means it actually took the weight off of my arm. Now, since it was attached to my bicep, it wasn't actually taking the weight off my arm, but once we build the shoulder mount to hold it up here, then you'll be able to lift a weight and then put it into a locked position, and then you won't take that weight anymore. It'll get distributed through the shoulder, down the spine, and into the legs that we've built already. So stay tuned for the next update, where we try and revise this a bit more, and we get back to work on the hips and the spine of the exoskeleton.
So, Mr. Fox, is this gonna work?
No, we've already seen that the plastic's broken.
Okay, sounds good to me.